Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders. For all trade, we'll use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. The title of this video is how to draw support and resistance level like a professional trader. And this video is recorded today because a TSTW24 trader has asked a specific question about how I personally draw my support and resistance level. Okay, it's not about how do you draw trendline and support resistance level. It's about how do I myself draw my support and resistance level. This is a nice question. All right, so if you are TSTW24 trader, you can ask questions. So do not be afraid to ask questions because I am an ordinary trader like you, so you can ask any questions. So I would like to thank this trader for asking this essential question. How do I draw my support and resistance level? All right, now one thing I need to clarify here, there are different ways traders draw support and resistance level, but in this video I'll share with you how I personally draw my support and resistance levels. I'm going to start with the most difficult, support is the most difficult trend line. I'm going to start with trend line, then I'll go to support and resistance levels. I will start with the most difficult way to draw trend line. Because why? The reason why I'm starting with the most difficult one is because a lot of traders do not draw their trend line in that fashion. When I start trading first, I do not draw my trend line, as I'm going to show you now. I was doing it like everybody else, but there is another way to draw, trend lines. When I start learning about the area wave theory, that's when, I start, learning to draw trend line like I'm going to show you now. It's a very powerful way to draw trend lines. So the most difficult way to draw a trend line is to join two high. All right. So what I'm talking about, two highs, is a high and a higher high. So this time we are joining a high and a higher high. Most traders do not draw their trend line that way, joining a high. See the price went up here. Display this high, pull back, display higher low, followed by a higher high. So this is one way to draw a trend line that a lot of traders do not draw it, which is not very nice. You can draw your trend line like this, joining a high and a higher high. This will allow you to forecast a price target level. All right, joining a high and a higher high will allow you to forecast the next price target. So here we are. You see, I'm on the 4-hour chart for the pound-dollar currency pair, and we're going to join a high and a higher high. This is one way that I draw my trend line. So you can see here, when I join this point, this high and this higher high, if I was here, so when the price was here, I would draw my trend line like this, a high and a higher high. As the price start going up again, my target is the edge of this trend line. You see how the price went up from here and then stopped on the edge of my trend line. So I recommend, Sean, that you have practiced using this method also. If you want to take a quick profit, you will see that the reaction of the price as the price retesting, this trend line, joining a high and a higher high. See here? This is a more advanced way to draw a trend line. And a lot of area wave traders know that. How do we forecast the fifth wave? How do we forecast the fourth wave? We do things like this, joining a high and a higher high. Here it is. So when you are here, so you know that the market pattern is bullish, it's a rising channel. So to draw the channel, you remember what I said to you? We join a low and a higher low, and we choose one point here to make it parallel to the first line. So I have my channel here. So, all right, let's color it now in different colors so you can see the channel. Talking about the red channel. So 3 points we use to draw a channel. Here it is. So as the price, so the price in a rising channel, we see here pull back on the edge of the channel here. The market pattern is bullish. It's also retesting the top of this resistance. So it break above it, retest it here. If I receive a buy signal here, so we on the 4-hour chart as a TSTW24 trader. At this point in time, what do? We switch to the first best time frame. There are many ways traders can enter the trade, but for TSTW24 trading, we go to the first best time frame, all right? But there are many ways traders can enter a trade following the trading drill, the setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point without violating the market pattern. So here it is, okay, as you can see, a high and a higher high. If I buy here and the price going up, as it's approaching this level, I'll be ready to grab some profit or secure my gains. Okay? I don't want to talk too much so you can get a picture that will stick in your mind, okay? So you can always test it first, okay? Test it first, and then see, okay, whether it makes sense to you. If you have any more questions, please get back to me, okay? So this is one way to draw a trend line, all right? So this is on a 4-hour chart. So this is one way we can draw a trend line, okay? I'm going to go now. Again, I can draw it here. It's not bad. This is not beautiful examples, okay? All right, I'm going to change time frame, and I will go to the daily chart to see whether I will see another better example for you. It's not very beautiful either. So I'm going to change my financial instrument, going to look for the pound yen. Now also a beautiful example here. And which one should I use now? Hold on a second. Okay, because I'm recording this video now. Okay, here we are. This is one example here. I'm going to remove all my line for the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, a very volatile financial instrument. If you are a new trader, stay away from the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Can be very, very volatile. Okay, moment, please. So I want to remove all my drawing on these charts. Stay with me, please. They all gone now. Okay. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to this session. I want to show you something also in the downtrend. So the first example, we use it when we have, okay, a rising channel. There's another way that we draw another trend line that which I said to you, these are the most advanced way to draw a trend line. Okay, very difficult for some traders. Some traders are not aware of this method of drawing trend line. That's why I start with the most difficult one. In a downtrend, we can join a low and a higher and a lower low, like this. A low and a lower low. So you can see that this trend line, the price did not retest it. It tried to come back. You see here, it came very close to it, but couldn't touch it. Okay, so I want to draw another line. I will explain it to you now. Okay, joining this point and this point. This is a low and a lower low. All right, this the price. You can see the price was trying to come near it and couldn't touch it either. Okay, that's fine. I can join another point. So from the same point, all right, I'm joining again this point. See, this point and this one, a low and a lower low. Yes or no? So the first one we draw this point and this point. We join the first. That's the first trend line. Then I join this point, the same point. We can draw many lines from the same point. This point, okay, and this one. The price didn't retest it. Now I'm joining this point and this one here. This will allow us to set a price target. So you can see it touch it here. So with this point and this point, are you with me? So I like your questions. So that's why I'm recording this. I'm going to make this video public. This video is not confidential. Okay, so you can share it on Facebook, on Twitter, with your friend. It's not confidential. Though I'm recording it for a TSCW24 trader, it's not confidential. I'm not sharing any confidential material here. Okay, so now you see this point, and this point we join. So it touch it here, it start going up because we are in a declining channel. If we are selling, we want to know where the price, okay, is likely, okay, to stop. So you can see I didn't want to bring it here because, okay, I can join it there. So joining this point and this point, allow me to draw the bearish trend line. And remember, we want to draw a channel. Then I will choose 1 point below here and make it, okay, can you see it now? Trying to draw a channel, I'll color it again in red. So that's my channel if you are happy with it. Because the market pattern is bearish, if they just price display A, okay? So it's not, that's what I'm saying to you. See, join this point and this point, this point and this point. Allow me to draw the trend line. But you can see that this trend line was not very useful, okay, for us. Going to move it here. Well, okay, this point and this point, this point and this point, all right? And I will choose another point here, choose this point and make it parallel. Okay, see? So now, so here, as it display new lower low compared to this low, the price display new lower low, and it display a lower high on the edge of our declining channel, we'll be looking for opportunity to sell. This is not easy because you can see that the price went horizontal first before coming down. So with this point where I highlight the green spot and this green spot, we draw our trend line, yes or no? So as we sell it here, it's coming near the trend line. We are looking to take profit. Sometime you may even receive a beautiful bullish signal here, okay? But because we are in a declining channel, if you want to buy, this is a risky bullish trade because if you are buying here, you are trading against the market pattern. So you want to be very careful and keep eyes on it. You allow it to come out of the channel. So this is another way to draw a trend line, joining a low and a lower low, okay, to set a price target. A lot of traders do not use this method of drawing a trend line. All right, I clarify that. I'm going to move on now because I don't want the video to be too long. You can replay the video. That's perfectly okay with YouTube. Okay, if there's something else you don't understand, you can replay it. Sometimes you may watch a video once and you watch it for the second time, and okay, you gain more information. All right. So first time I join a high and a higher high. We do that in an uptrend if we want to detect the target price level if you are buying in a rising channel. The second example, we join a low and a lower low. We are in a declining channel. We want to set a target, okay, when the price is rolling it down. But as you can see, I try to draw many lines. So don't start with one. Don't just draw one like a low and a lower low and just leave one here. So as you can see, the first one here was not very useful, okay? So we can go around, don't be afraid. Draw them, keep drawing them. This is a low, this is another lower low. You can join many different lows, okay? That's what I've done now, okay? So sometimes trader will draw one like this and leave it like this, but there are other options, second one and a third one, okay? So it's your chart, keep drawing on it, okay? That's what I say to traders all the time. So how very often majority of traders, okay, draw their trend line like this. So in a downtrend, they will join a high and a lower high. That's how people draw the trend line in a downtrend. A high and a lower high, okay? So I join this one and this one. But as I say to you, do not stop with one. You can go around. So there's another one here. This point and this one here. Keep drawing them. Don't be afraid. And you'll be amazed how the price will touch those levels. So from one point again, I'm drawing this one. Okay. Look at this another one here. So this time, this point and this point. This point and this point. I have another declining channel drawing a high and a lower high. That's how majority of traders draw their trend line. You can see joining this point. You want me to highlight for you. This is the normal way to draw a trend line that most traders are using. So joining this point and this one here, you see how the price came and returned that trend line. You want me to color it for you, color into red so you can see clearly on your chart. So don't be afraid to draw trend line like this. Draw many of them and you see the reaction on the price. See this point and this one here. So you can see the price came, touch it here. You see on the dot, went back. Okay. So this is the normal way to draw a trend line in a downtrend. A high and a lower high. Okay. Going to go back again to the pound dollar currency pair. A beautiful currency pair. If you trade forex, okay, learn to trade a pound dollar currency pair. Okay, trade it, understand the characteristic of the pound dollar currency pair, okay, and then you become an expert in trading, okay, the pound, okay, dollar currency pair. This is the pound dollar currency pair again. Now we are on a daily chart, okay. All right, let's remove. But this is not for today because you can see that I moved my chart a bit, okay? So this is what we see now, okay? So going to remove, okay, I don't want to remove all line, okay? I will delete them one by one. So bear with me as I'm removing my line. So in a downtrend, trader will draw, okay? In normal way, that's what I'm talking about. I started with the most difficult one. Remember, the normal way is in a downtrend is to join a high and a lower high, okay? I'm going to come back to the support and the resistance level, so stay with us. So in an uptrend, trader will join a high and a higher high. It will join, sorry. In an uptrend, trader will join a low and a higher low. But very often, trader will draw a trend line like this, and they won't continue to draw it because sometimes the price will go fast. Like you see here, it went fast. So you can draw another one like this. Joining this point and this one here. You can keep doing this. Okay, it's your chart, you can do it. Showing this point and this one, we draw the first one, you see how the price came, leave it on your chart. So from the daily chart like this, we can switch to the, okay, hourly chart, okay, look for another setup on the hourly chart. But we have our line from the daily chart, we go to the hourly chart, we see how the price reacted there, and then from there we switch to the first best time frame, okay? But as I said to you, there are many ways we can enter the trade. Attention onto the price. Do not violate the market pattern on the set time frame, on the signal time frame, and also on the entry time frame. So on the first best time frame, draw again your trend line, draw your channels, okay? This will allow you to make excellent decisions, okay? Now, so in the uptrend, this is how trader draw it, a low and a higher low. But do not stop. Continue to draw either point, and you'll be amazed. You see now the second one, showing this point and this point, how the price came, and return this one here. Now from there, he moved back down to return the second one. Okay? We can do it again here, joining this point, this time, this point, and this one here. Look at the reaction. This is today. You see, Sean? Okay, that's why I like your question. All right? Because very, very essential, very important question. Joining this point, okay, join this point. Are you with me? This low here, and this one here. You see how the price came and went up, retested here, come down. By the way, for the pound dollar currency pair, the short-term equilibrium price level is 169.69. Very important level. Trader must watch for the next 2 weeks. High chunk come back. It will be nice to retest it, okay? All right. So you see now how this simple trend line, okay, that I joined this point and this point, you can see that if you draw it like this, see how from here you see when I back out again to retest it, it came back to retest this support. So this is a support level because the price break above it, okay? All right, break above, it's trying to retest it now. All right. This is on a daily chart for the pound dollar. So this is a normal way to draw the trend line. That's it for the trend line. Let's move on now to the support level. Okay, again, I will remove my lines. I'm a bit excited about this question because I like this question very much. So that's why. So we can share with other traders, okay? So support and resistance level. I'm going to go this time to the 4-hour chart, okay? We are a bit lazy now, all right? So we go to the 4-hour chart. I'm going to talk about support level. All right, what is a support level? All right? So we want to clarify a few things, okay? A support level is a level where the price changes direction after going down. All right. So here we are. You see here. It went down. Okay. And then change direction here. This is a support level. Okay. So now, once we see where the price changes direction, we can draw a horizontal line there. So this is where there's one here. This is a support level because the price was going down first. And then changing direction here. So as it's pulling back, this is a target level, okay, yes or no? But always, when we are talking about support level, there are different types of support level, all right? A valid support level is a support level that is where the price changing direction at least 2 times. This is what we call a valid support level. For instance, a double bottom pattern is a valid support level. So what has happened is that the price went down first time. So at that, because it changed direction first time here, that's how we know that it's a support level. So at that point in time, we'll draw a support level, okay? Now it went up a bit, try to go down again. At the same zone, same level, it changed direction again. So this first support level become what we call a valid support level because the price has changed direction here at least 2 times. So this is now a valid support level. All right? But when we are talking about valid support level, we are talking about probability. There is a high chance that when the price is going down again, it may find a support level, a support there again. But it's not a certainty. There's a high probability. It's about high probability. That's what we call a valid support level. A valid support level can fail, but there's a high chance that the price may find a support there. All right? So you can see we have the first support level here on the forward chart. Price break below it. So next question. If the price dip below a support level, so you highlight your support level on your chart, like that I show you now, coming down, change direction is a support level, okay? So you see here, come down a little bit, find a support here, went up, come back again, same level, find a support. So this is a support level, price went up, okay? Now, if the price dip below a support level, all right, the price is looking for a better support level. So we look down and see, is there a better support level? There's one here. This one. Okay? So what I say to traders, you can draw in your chart as many support level as you like. So price going down, change direction is support level. There are other support level which are resistance level that has been converted into support level. How a resistance level can be converted into a support level. So price break above a resistance level and retested their support level, price break above a resistance level, like here. So here, you see this was a resistance level. So I don't want to talk about resistance now, but because we are talking about support level, we are talking about a resistance level that has been converted into support level. So that's why I'm talking about resistance here. But I will be talking about resistance level, okay, in this video when I finish with the support level. So this was a resistance level because why? The price was going up and then changing direction here. So this line here is a resistance level. Now, if the price break above a resistance level and they find a support above a resistance level, that resistance level becomes a support level. So this is also a support level. So to answer your question, I can go on now this, okay? So you see, it changes direction. Anywhere the price change direction, like here, you see, it change direction here, you can highlight them. Very simple, just highlight them. You see here, it changes direction. You went up, you can draw them, okay? See here, this one, you went up, and change direction. You can draw all of them. But because you don't want your chart to be full of lines, you may just acknowledge some of them, which means you don't draw them, but you know they are there. You don't have to draw all of them. Otherwise, you have too many lines on your chart. So if we pay attention to this one now, we're on the forward chart. I'm talking about this one. Okay, let's color it so you see it a different way. The orange one, okay? It's a resistance level, yes or no? So we draw it now. You see, price break above it, okay? and he retests it here. The orange one here, this line here. So it's very simple. All right, so just where the price change that, just draw them here, you see. So if you want to buy at this resistance level, the price must break above the resistance level, retest it, and change direction. It's not sufficient for the price to break above and to retest. Can come back below it. But break above, retest, and start changing direction. That's the setup. Now you switch to your first best time frame or use your own entry methods to enter the trade. So at this point, as you come in here on the 4-hour chart, you see the candle, you must wait. One thing I need to mention to you, if the price retesting like here on the 4-hour chart, you will wait until that candle is closed. So this is one mistake that a lot of traders are making also. So sometimes traders will say, is retesting the trend line, but they will go and they start placing a trade. But the candle is not closed yet. So the primary retest it here, start pulling up, you think it's going to go up. But when the candle is closed, it may go below it. So wait until, so you want a 4-hour chart, you wait for the 4-hour candle to close, so you know that, it's done and dusted. So if you want to monitor this retest, you switch to the first best time frame to see what's going on there. Draw your channel on your entry time frame, and then monitor what's happening. Is it out of a bearish channel? Retesting the bearish channel, displaying higher lows, higher high on your entry time frame, and then you take it from there in another channel. If you want to buy in your entry time frame, you want to monitor the market pattern on your entry time frame. But the most important thing for you is a support level. But you see now, this is about the support level. So wherever the price pull back and change direction is a support level. And also when the price breaks above a resistance level, retest it and change direction is a support level. As I promised, I don't want the video to be too long. I'll move on now to the resistance level. Stay with me because I'm going to say something very important at the end of this video. So do not switch off before the end of this video. Okay? Going to remove again my lines. So bear with me as I'm doing this. And we will discuss the resistance levels. Excellent question asked by the TSTW24 trader. How to draw a trend line like a professional trader. This is the title of this video. By the way, I want to highlight to traders that the month of July is the earnings season. Some traders, new traders, can get into trouble because of the earnings season. Company will be releasing their earnings, and if they fail to meet the analyst forecast, there will be a bearish pressure. And if they exceed the analyst forecast, there will be a bullish pressure. So sometimes traders find it very difficult. A lot of new traders do not understand what is taking place in the month of April, month of July, month of October, and the month of January. These are the months where we have the earnings seasons. Because we are now in July, I want to highlight that to traders. If you are finding it very difficult to trade in July now, so remember the trading triangle, check the video on YouTube, George Rio channel, Trading Triangle by George Rio. You'll see a video about the trading triangle. We want to pay attention to the market first before the financial instrument that we are trading. And this will have implication on the forex market, stock market, commodity market. And sometimes traders are not aware of the earnings season and they get into trouble. So month of April, month of July, month of October, month of January, these are the earnings season. So note it down, so you can slow down during those months because a lot of earnings are released and ups and downs. Sometimes trader can get into trouble, Need to mention that quickly. Resistance level, going to bring on another financial instrument. Where is the Euro USD? Can you see it faster than me? Oh, I'm looking for it. Here it is. All right, so last time, I'll leave it at this for now. Let's go to the daily chart where I draw the horizontal channel last time for. Now we are on this is the Euro USD. The short-term equilibrium price level is 13596, by the way. for the Euro USD. He failed to hold it, and the price did below it on this daily chart. You can see that a trend line where we okay, hold on. Because we don't want to discuss other things. I want to talk about resistance level. Okay, a resistance level, the price going up and hit a level and change direction. Okay, that's a resistance level. So you see here going up. Okay, and then you change direction here. So this is a resistance level. Okay, let's go. Let's leave the. I'll go again to the 4-hour chart for the Euro. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart. Okay, we want to behave like a new trader, who does not like to go too far away, who does not want to go to the daily chart. I've done it myself. All right. Until I start going to the weekly chart, okay? So here we are. So we are on the 4-hour chart, okay? We are talking about horizontal support and resistance level. Remember that the trend line also a support level in a rising channel, you remember? Okay? Trend line, upslope trend lines, okay? Provide support to the price, where the price will display higher lows, okay? Downslope trend lines, which means declining trend lines, also will provide resistance for the price as the price rallying to retest the declining trend line. So do not forget the trend line, the channels will also provide support and resistance level on the edge. But here, I'm talking about the horizontal support and resistance level on the 4-hour chart. So where you see the price, you can draw many. So here, it went up a bit and change direction here. Okay, hold on, please. I just draw them. I just draw them. You see, that's one here. It went up and changed direction here. You see here, it went up all the way here. But as I said to you, if you want to draw all of them, you can have too many lines. So here it is, another one here, change direction here. So these are resistance level. Went up, check. Okay, went up, change direction here. Second one here. Again, you see almost retesting here. Okay, we can draw another one here. It went up a little bit and then change direction here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, this one, okay? So it went up, you see here, went up, bam, okay? So you can draw them like this on your chart. That's it. That's the trend line, okay? That's these are resistance level, okay? Change that. So you want to be aware of this level, okay? Let's pay attention to, okay, the first one that I draw, this one. Going to color it now in pink. So the price has hit this level somewhere around the 9th of June. So we know that, no, that's not a line. Okay, this one. So around 9th of June, the price, there was this resistance here. So you can see the price went down, boom, 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 boom. Tried to come near it here, but it couldn't touch it. Okay? So it's a resistance level. It will become a resistance level if the price found a resistance there at least, okay, 2 times, okay? Come near the resistance zone. People saw it again. Here, it came near. So if you were buying here, so suppose you were here, you draw your trend line like this. 2 points, you need to draw a trend line, retest it, and you were here, you are buying here. You want, because if you are buying, you want to know where is the next resistance level, because when the price is going up, the price is looking for a better resistance level. So boom, okay, break above this one. So you want to know where you can take profit. That's what you want to know. You went above it, okay. You see the consolidation session also will provide support and resistance level. This is another example. Here, where the price is consolidating, draw, okay, the channel and the median line of the consolidation. This level, okay, a high concentration trading zone. Okay, so here, okay, the pink one, here again, you see, came near the pink one again. All right, so if the price, how do we use a resistance level? So you see here, it went down, okay, which means the bear are selling. So how do you use resistance level? Price went down and then pull rally up to a resistance level. How do you use support level? Price, okay, is going up, and then pull back near a support level. All right. So if you have your resistance level on your chart and you want to sell, sometime is the simplest way. Price goes down. So some people were selling it first, and then now it goes up near a resistance level. This is a setup. It's a bearish setup. Okay. If you want to sell, the next question is that where is the nearest support level? Because you don't want to sell onto a support level. Sometimes you may see a resistance, but there is a support level that is very close to that resistance. So if you are buying, you are selling at a resistance, but you have a support that is very close, you don't have enough room for the price to go down. So you know that that trade can be a bit tricky. So you may just scalp it quickly and then come out, okay? Because you don't know what the price will do at the next support level. So you are selling at a resistance level. You are asking yourself, am I near a support zone? All right, you want to have enough room, which means support a little bit far away, allowing the price to have room to roll it to the next support level. Okay, so this is about the horizontal resistance level. So you see the pink one here, price came back again. Okay, I'm going to remove the pink one now. We finish with that. The next one. Okay, I color it now in green. That's another resistance level on the 4-hour chart. This one here. See here? Come down. See? So because you see here, it starts displaying higher lows and high. We don't want to use this resistance anymore, because unless you see this resistance, but now the price fell to display new higher. But you can see that the price was in a kind of triangle. Be careful. So the price display higher lows, okay, but it's displaying equal high. Be careful. Don't be too bearish. Though it's going up, but we have a resistance here. So if you are taking you buy here, you are aware of this resistance level. So with this line alone, you see here, this line alone, pull back, it's going up. You know that there's a target level here. So this will allow you to control if you are buying because price is high or low, you know where is the target level. See, it went above it, the green line went above it. See, if as it's going down, retest it. So we know that a resistance level can be converted into support level. Aggressive traders start buying here, but you want to go to the first best time frame. You see, sometimes the price will retest it like this. That's why I said you wait for the candle to close. This is the setup. And you go to the entry time frame, monitor it. If the signal fell and the market pattern has changed in your entry time frame, just come out. See here, and then it drop it down. Okay, this resistance has failed to be converted into a support level. All right. So there's another example, which means a support level can be converted into a resistance level. Let's see how long I've been recording this video, because I don't want to overwhelm traders with long videos, waiting for it to come up. It's coming up. 38 minutes. My apologies to traders. My intention is to keep it down to 25 minutes, but okay, that's what we are having now. It's not bad, okay? Let's finish it, okay? A support level can be converted into resistance level. All right, so we are looking for a support level. All right, I'm going to change my financial instrument. Bring out another financial instrument. The Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, again on the 4-hour chart. I will remove all my drawing, though I'm using Forex. This is valid for stock, for commodity, and also for futures, okay? So a support level can be converted, okay, into a resistance level. So we know that the support level price pulled back. See, it went up and then pulled back, went up, pulled back, okay? So before I continue, a valid resistance level is a resistance that has been, validated at least twice. What when you see here, suppose the price went up from here, okay, hold on please, went up from A to B, and then from this point, it changed direction. So this point become a resistance level. So we draw a line there. If the price going up again, and the final resistance there, for the second time, Now this resistance level become a valid resistance level. There is a high chance that if we receive a sharp signal here, because this was already a resistance level, so we are receiving a sharp signal at the resistance zone, we'll be happy to take it. Remember again, this is the setup. Try to apply that on a weekly chart. Go to the weekly chart, find a key resistance and support level before switching to the first best time frame. The resistance level on the higher time frame are superior to the resistance level on the lower time frame. The market will give more value to the resistance on the weekly chart, okay, in comparison to the resistance or support level on the daily chart or the 2-hour chart. So I encourage you to use the support, the resistance, the trend lines, as I'm showing you now, on the weekly chart, and then switch to the first best time frame, and then you will see some gorgeous, beautiful setup. I'll tell you one story. When I started trading first, I was going round and round. One day, I get fed up, and I decided to go to the weekly chart. And I just see one resistance, and the price came down, and I was struggling, and I sold it. And the whole day, the price couldn't go above that resistance level. At the end, the price went down, and I get paid. My trading style has changed. I recognize the power of support and resistance level. Okay, so use strong support and resistance level. All right, let's move on because we don't want the video to be too long. So this is a valid resistance level, a double top validation of a resistance level. If you receive a sell signal here, we look for opportunity to sell. I recommend that you check also www.best-trading-strategy.com. There are some setups, some signal that I told you. A single red signal followed by a triple red signal. That triple red signal is a high probability trade setup, okay? A double, okay? A green signal followed by a triple green signal. That a triple green signal is a high probability trade setup. It's all at www.best-trading-strategy.com. If you have time, people are busy, so if you have time, okay, from time to time, okay, watch them if you want to. Okay, so this is about the resistance level. So I want to talk to you about how a support level can be converted into a resistance level. So we see that this level is a support level, okay? So I can draw it like this. So this is it, okay? This is support level, okay? Change direction, change direction. Look, if the price dip below a support level, the price looking for a better support level. So as it dip below this support level, we look down quickly and say, where is the next support level? I can go on, I can record another video about market geometry, which is about the projection of the channel. So I think I'll do that next time and post that video on our channel, and I will send it to you also about the market geometry. This will allow you, okay, to improve your trading. Market geometry, trend line, support, market pattern, okay. Work with those things. Keep eyes on the price, okay. Don't focus too much on indicators, okay. Slowly. If you are a new trader, that's fine. As a new trader, it's very important to see indicators. I use indicator too, but we want trader to focus on the price, okay. All right. So now, you see, this is the support level we are talking about. So let's call it that support level into green. So now the price D below that support level, looking for a better support level. So we'll draw all the support below. See, there's one also here, price changing direction after going down. So you see, first time here, break through it, next support level. That's what's going on. We're looking for a better support level. This is a valid support level. This was support level, price went up, second time. Now at this point, valid support level, switch to the first best time frame. Valid resistance level, switch to the first best time frame. Check those things on the weekly chart, daily chart at least, okay, and then work on it. Even on the 4 hours here, boom, up, valid support level. Okay, now, so this support level, okay, price D below it, and I went back to retest it, and then it didn't support the price. If it support the price will have gone above it and find support and continue to move to the upside. But now this support level has suppressed the price. It becomes a resistance level. So this primary support level is now converted into a resistance level. So if the price D below a support level, that support level has failed. Now until the price found support on it for the second time. You see here, it recovered here, but here it has failed. But it's here at this point in time, this support level has now been converted into resistance level because the price was going up and did change direction here. So this support level now has become a resistance level at this point in time. And again, the price went above it and found a support. So at this point, this support level has recovered again. Again here. Again here. I move my line. Okay. So you see now, so if a support level is broken and the price retested it, and the price went down, that support level is now converted into resistance level. You have to pay attention to the levels that are playing a role, both the role of support and resistance level. Like here, this is a very important level because it was a support, it was also a resistance level. So it's a very important key levels. All right, you see now? So this is about the horizontal support, resistance level, and also how do we draw trend lines, okay? In a downtrend, and also in an uptrend. So I can go fast. You may say to me, George, I don't understand this, or okay, it does make sense to me. You let me know how you feel about this. And as always, okay, use a demo account, okay, practice with this, see what is working for you, and then take it from there. That's the best approach. Always somebody say something to you, do not take my word for it, test it, see what is working for you, and then take it from there, okay? So, myself, okay, we on a 4-hour chart for the Australian dollar, US dollar. You can go very fast. The price change direction here, you just go, draw them, just draw them. There's another one here, change direction. I can keep on drawing them. You see, here, I draw another one here, I draw another one here, and I can go on drawing lines. It's my chart. I can draw lines here. You see this one here, and you can see this one was here, or this was here. Or this point was, and you see here, now it break above, retest, okay? Leave it on my chart like this, and all this line that I've just quickly draw on my chart now, on the 4-hour chart, let's go now. I'll go to the 3-minute chart, you will see them all there, hopefully. Yeah, we can see 2 here, this is 2 there. From the 4-hour chart, you see here, so validation of this on the 3-minute chart. Scalpers. This is how professional scalpers are trading from the higher time frame to switch to the lower time frame without violating the market pattern. So you see here, from the 3-minute chart, I can see those lines. I can draw line on the monthly chart, yearly chart, switch even to the 1-minute chart and still see them, okay? But if I'm on the 3-minute chart, I don't want to make decision on the 3-minute chart alone. I want to combine a higher time frame with a lower time frame. This is one example, the key levels on the higher time frame, and I want to make decision around those key levels on the lower time frame. As I promised, I will stop here. If you have any question, get back to me. But I would like to say something to you, Sean. Thank you very much for this question. But I will be sending you another video by Saturday because I can be very busy. By Saturday, I will be recording another video about the single red and the single green signal. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. To summarize this video, to draw a trend line in an uptrend, we can join, okay, the normal way of drawing a trend line in an uptrend is to join a low and a higher low, okay? Now, but there is a more advanced way to draw a trend line in an uptrend to set a price target. This is about joining a high and a higher high. In a downtrend, the normal way to draw a trend line is to join a high and a lower high. But there is another advanced way to draw a trend line in a downtrend is to join a low and a lower low to set a price target when we are selling. The horizontal resistance and support level. A resistance level can be converted into a support level if the price breaks above it and retest it and find a support there. A support level can be converted into a resistance level if the price dip below that resistance level and retest it and find a resistance right there, okay? Now, if the price is going up and change direction at 1.1 key level, that point is a resistance level. the price going down and changing direction at one point. That point is a support level. All right, we can go on. There are more advanced ways. We can talk about pitchfork tool and also market geometry and also the Fibonacci, okay, extension and a retracement level. These are what we call hidden support and resistance level. Okay, the Fibonacci extension, the Fibonacci projection, go to www.dayprotrader.com. This will provide you, okay, will allow you to detect hidden support and resistance level. Price target, using, for instance, an inverted head and shoulder price target or head and shoulder price target, round bottom price target. This will also provide you with a hidden support and resistance level. All right. Hope you have learned something out of this video and we put into use, okay, to make excellent day or swing trading decision. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.